Hi, I'm Sarangarana Singha. The topic we chose is ways businesses can leverage disruptive technologies for competitive advantage in the IT sector. So, when moving forward, introduction to fog computing and industry context, the market for fog computing is growing fast due to its capability of connecting more devices compared to other similar kinds of existing market technologies. Uh, the market is expected to reach 23.37 billion by 2033. This technology makes use of IoT technology and real-time data processing to reduce instances of delays and enhance performance. Smart cities and industries such as IT, healthcare, and transportation can be significantly advantaged by this technology. And when talking about the traditional IT infrastructure and associated limitations, when compared to the cutting edge of fog computing, traditional IT systems fail to compete since they are costly to implement and also take comparatively more time to scale. Additionally, having a centralized setup can also lead to several delays and reduce the overall performance of the system. Lastly, when any business organization maintains old hardware, this can also significantly increase operational expenses over time due to wear and tear. These issues hinder business business growth and adaptability. As extended limitations of centralized IT infrastructure, business organizations that have centralized IT system are more expensive, and their operational expenses can significantly limit business growth. Official reports highlighted that maintaining traditional systems can cost businesses an average of 2.9 million each year. These systems also limit revenue potential to 60% of possible earnings. Another report also highlighted that 75% of IT professionals have highlighted their concerns regarding the security issues associated with legacy IT solutions, which can disrupt business activities.
Hi there, this is Ibrahim Ahmed, and I'm gonna start my part of presentation. So let's start, and here is slide 5. So concept of fog computing technology. Basically, there are three concepts: processing data near source, reducing latency issues, and the second one is enhancing real-time decision making in IoT, and the third one is support decentralized computing for efficient data handling. So, with its innovative architecture, fog computer is capable of processing the data close to its resources. This reduces latency of a significant extent. Furthermore, it can also improve real-time decision and become helpful for IoT devices. So this technology is based on decentralization, which leads to um, efficient handling of data. As a result, this approach enhances performance and responsive in various industries. And slide number 6, concept of fog computing technology. So there are also three concepts: as this technology processing data locally from where it is gathered. It can significantly reduce the need of constant data transmission. As a result, this approach not only help save bandwidth, but at the same time also reduce energy consumption and enhances security. Fog computing allows systems to scale efficiently in complex networks. It supports growing data demands without compromising performance. Uh, Functional capabilities of fog computing in the IT sector. By processing the service at the edge for computing and capable of reducing latency by 20%. This real-time application can gain a significant benefits from this as calculations are done at the edge. This significantly brings down the bandwidth usage and with the limited data transmission, it enhances the security of entire process. This capabilities improve efficiency and safety in the IT operations. So here's the next slide. Key advantages of fog computing for business. So here you can see there are three main key advantages. So according to Federal 2023 for fog computing, help in advancing the IoT performance of business. Number two is fog computing helps IT sector businesses to increase their responsiveness by reducing network latency. And number three it also reduces the pressure on the cloud computing activities of the business. So it is seen that fog computing is critical for the high performance of IT system for IT business. It also important to note that since IT business are hugely dependent on IoT, it promotes overall functional efficiency and responsiveness. It also acts as a support for the cloud computing infrastructure that is in place and reduces overall pressure. Thank you.
Hi there, this is Chintan, and I'm gonna start my part with the business advantages of fog computing. When fog computing is used by businesses in the IT sector, data for the businesses is processed locally. This further ensures that the businesses in the IT sector reduce the exposure of sensitive data. This contributes to enhanced security that helps them avoid data breaches and other cybersecurity risks. Next is critical evaluation of the effectiveness of fog computing. It is understood that despite the benefits it can bring to the IT businesses, there are some challenges and limitations of fog computing. It is seen that fog computing can be very costly, while the management of different types of devices can be complex. It is an important limitation to consider since IT businesses adopt different devices of their holistic expertise and productivity. This slide about strategic business gains enabled by fog computing. In the current business environment, this is seen that the responsiveness of businesses, especially in the IT sector, is critical for success. Considering this, the use of fog computing can provide a strategic advantage in making quick decisions that can contribute to a better customer experience and better analytical decision making. In this slide, I'm gonna talk about organizational impact compared to traditional infrastructure. As shown in slide, compared to the exciting technology, fog computing can enhance operational resilience with the help of decentralized processing across several nodes. As a result, it can reduce the network congestion by handling the collected information near its source. This process thus helps organizational to efficiently scale their operational by adding fog nodes in future as the need might arise.
Ashwini, and I'm gonna start with my topic, enhanced eligibility and performance with fog integration. As business organizations integrate fog computing within their exciting system, it significantly improves their responses times up to 30%, especially during edge applications. Additionally, it is also capable of significantly reducing internal data traffic by 95% when compared to legacy system. This integration helps the organizations easily expand its exciting complex network systems as forms of smaller nodes, which makes organizations agile and improve performance. Is practical recommendations for fog computing adoption. It is essential for business organizations to thoroughly evaluate their specific needs before they implement fog computing. Additionally, it is also important to ensure that this new distributive technology is compatible within the existing systems. This can lead to a smooth integration and also helps staff members to easily adopt the new technology. Lastly, organizations also need to invest in staff training, which can ensure the effective utilization of newly implemented technologies. This slide shows about future trends in fog and edge computing. In future, for IT businesses, it can be significant in terms of contributing to the expansion of the sector into different fields. It can help them integrate their operation with healthcare by assisting them in smart healthcare services. Furthermore, it can reduce the dependency on good technology in some cases. In conclusion, the use of fog computing can be significant for business in the IT sector to ensure that their overall operational productivity is enhanced. It is also seen that it propels some future growth industries for the sector.